Wel, noswaith dda i chi a chroeso i'r cyflwyniad yma ar Cerddoriaeth Lefel A. Good evening to you all and welcome to this presentation on A-Level Music. Wel, wrth gwrs, mae'r cwrs yma yn dilyn ymlaen o'r cwrs TGAU. This course is a continuation of what they've been doing in GCSE music, the three skills, performance, composing and listening. Mae'n ffordd mewn i addysg uwch wrth gwrs. Os ydyn nhw moyn mynd i'r conservatoire, os ydyn nhw moyn i'r brifysgol i astudio cerdd neu'r celfyddydau perfformio. Mae'n hybu sgiliau perfformio cyfansoddi a gwerthuso, ac wrth gwrs hefyd yn datblygu sgiliau cyffredinol sy'n cael ei ddefnyddio mewn pynciau eraill hefyd. Music is a very good option because it's a pathway to further education. Go to the conservatoire or study at a university, of course. It also encourages performance, compositional and music appreciation skills, and also develops general skills that can be transferred to other subjects. Mae'r cwrs yma'n cael ei addysgu ar y ddwy safle wrth gwrs. Mae rhai o'r pethau'n cael ei ddysgu yn ysgol Cyfun Gŵyr, ac wedyn i pethau eraill yn cael ei addysgu yn ysgol Bryn Tawe. Sy'n ni'n edrych ar gynnwys y cwrs felly ar gyfer blwyddyn 2012, fe welwn ni bod 'na elfen o perfformio, cyfansoddi a gwerthuso ym mhob un o'r blynyddoedd. This course is taught on two sites, of course, Ysgol Gyfun Gŵyr and Ysgol Bryn Tawe. There are 3 units of work in the first year and a further 3 units in the second year. The performance and composition aspects of the course are taught in Ysgol Gyfun Gŵyr, and then the listening aspects are taught in Ysgol Bryn Tawe. Wel, ar gyfer blwyddyn 12, mae'r cwrs wedi cael ei rhannu mewn i 3 uned wrth gwrs, perfformio, cyfansoddi ac arfarnu. 3 units for year 12 and a further 3 for year 13. Maen nhw wedi cael eu rhannu perfformio, cyfansoddi ac arfarnu. The first 3 units are performing, composing and appraising, and then there will be further performing, composing and appraising for year 13. Ond ar gyfer AS, perfformiadau hyd at 6 i 8 muned. Mae hawl dyn nhw i perfformio hwn yn unigol neu fel aelod o ensemble neu'n gymysgedd o'r ddau. The first part of the unit is performing, a performance of 6 to 8 minutes long. This can be an individual performance, part of an ensemble, or a mixture of both. Symud ymlaen wedyn ni i'r cyfansoddi. 2 gyfansoddiad i gyd, 3-6 muned o hyd, a hwnna yw'r elfen gwaith cwrs wrth gwrs. Second unit then is composing. Compositions 3 to 6 minutes long, and this is the work that they do in school and outside of school as well. Wedyn symud ymlaen i'r arfarnu, elfen gwrando, papur gwrando ar ddiwedd y flwyddyn yn seiliedig ar traddodiad cysurol o gorllewin, a hefyd gweithiau gosod bydd wedi cael ei dewis. Last part then is appraising. There's a written paper at the end of the year based on the Western classical tradition and a number of set works. And of course, the appraising part happens in Bryn Tawe. Wel, beth yw gofynion y cwrs felly? Wel, fi'n ystyried yn ddatblygiad naturiol o'r cwrs TGAU. Wrth gwrs, mae'r 2 elfen yn parhau o hynny. I would expect that it's a natural progression from the GCSE course. It's similarly structured in many ways. Dyle fod diddordeb cryf gyda chi yn y pwnc wrth gwrs. A strong interest in the subject is desired. Ynghyd â'r gallu i ganu offeryn neu i ganu, the ability to play an instrument or sing, of course, is very important as there is a huge emphasis on performance.